Fluffy Japanese soufflé pancakes, the ultimate breakfast indulgence, light as air and incredibly delicious. Perfect for those lazy Sunday mornings. Ingredients: 2 eggs, separated. 2 tablespoons sugar, divided. 2 tablespoons milk. Half a teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, sifted. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Butter or oil for greasing the pan. Separate the eggs and whip the whites into a stiff, glossy meringue. Mix the yolks with sugar, milk, vanilla, flour, and baking powder. Gently fold the meringue into the batter for maximum fluffiness. Cook slowly over low heat, flipping carefully for that signature height. Serve with syrup, fresh berries, and a dusting of powdered sugar. Made with a few simple ingredients but packed with texture and flavor. Stack them high, drizzle with syrup, and enjoy a bite of pure pancake bliss. If this made your mouth water, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.